Okay, we have a work problem here. We have an inlet pipe that can fill a pool in 12 hours and a drain can empty the pool in 20. So how long will it take the pipe to fill the pool if the drain is left open? Which is just I can't even think of that, especially we're in a drought here in Utah, so just kills me. But the pipe can fill it in 12, so we can make that as 1/12. But we have to subtract the drain, which would be 1/20. And then together, we'll find how long it would take them together by just making it 1/x. Okay, and we need to figure out how long that will take if the drain is left open. So let's find the LCD here. In this case, 12 does not go into 20. If we make that 40, look at 40, 12 does not go into 40. But 60, 12 will go into 60. And so our LCD here will be 60x. So we multiply each by 60x. And then let's go ahead and simplify. So 12 goes into 60 5 times. So we're left with just 5x times 1 or 5x. 20 goes into 60 3 times. So we're left with 1 times 3x or just 3x. For this last one, the x cancels and that's it. So 1 times 60 is just 60. 5x minus 3x, we get 2x equals 60. Divide by 2. So x will just equal 30. So that tells us it will take 30 hours to fill up the pool if the drain is left open. I can't even hardly think of this problem without cringing, but at least we know how to figure out the math for it.